Mama me bufua, I will make John Mahama president again. Or no crampono, he will not understand. He better not a president. John Mahama, mo Ghana for Mama me bufua, mo MPP for Nkwasiafono. If you get me pissed off, John Mahama will be president. Mo Ghana for you will not understand. I will make him president again. It's Mama push him in that level. I don't want to even get there. You see DsTV. Right now, no, MPP for many story. They don't even know where to tackle, what to speak on. They are confused. Last week, their biggest problem was that Okujato Ablakwa Oyahune need to send me. With Timmy leading a team in the United States of America. America for say, because of our new way John Mahama yi no ninti. Sanction be to Ghana for so. Ye ne eye omatena se akwa adwinkurom ehu se sa sanction na ye to ekuro bebre so no because Okujato Ablakwa ne John Mahama mu nyansa nti. Sebio Africa for omo bi eba America. Sebi omo ni nkrata epeso de omba mu krom no. Se Ghana beji omo e de omo akomu krom a sa sanction no ye be ye free Ghana so. Sa sanction no any deportees ye de omo ba Ghana. Ehin ne be de na ebenya so mfaso. Sanction na ye yi no. Any deportees ne de omo ba Ghana no. Nimienu e de na de economically, socially, e de na de mfaso, nimienu de na de mfaso pa be Ghana. Sanction na America for atam free so no. Because sanction, no, it releases businessmen, businesses. It releases people. It releases a lot of potential minds to omanimwa. Omube to me aden, to me edi sika ko edi sikaba. And I'm talking about abia omo munim nyansa, omo kofa nyansa edi abefie, any omo mube to me so aye their business ewa abrochire. Enti whether you like it or not, the government of the day, they have done the right thing. Unless you don't like your African brother. Your African brother has been caught in America. He has no papers. America says you can't stay with us. Ghana says bring them. Bring them and I'll take them to their country. Finito. Near Tikromana, at a point, Gitmo 202. MPP for your campaign say, oh, Gitmo 42 and Ghana for job. No, Omabe Kunipa, Gitmo for how many years? Omu Kutafre Ghana. Gitmo for to a deal buy. MPP for your press conference. Adena, NDC buying Aji Gitmo for the Honiati, Aware, Awo, Esidan, Bobra, Emma Obo Kukotre, Emmy Omote. Yeti Kroma, Emma and the Kufwado, Yenya criminals to me Bonipa 82 Ghana, or no crampono monkas or your dangerous check Gitmo for. It's a question in your say, unless you don't like your African brothers. Because your African brothers, they have been brought home. Africa is Africa. They can go home. If they don't want to go home, we can settle them in Ghana. There's no problem. At least, what I know is that somebody has been a man. Somebody has been able to negotiate. At the end of the day, Kwasiebi TV Soka say, why did you negotiate? He's going to take advantage of the negotiations to travel out and go do business. Until whether you people like it or not, the negotiations have been done. And the government of the day, at the end of the day, led by the Foreign Affairs Minister, no, NDC are buying, any America are buying a negotiation. Omri nipa 20,000 buy a beji. Kwasi afuo, mote Ghana, en kwasi akeka. America for pa, Africa for mu deport obi nyomo for mra Ghana ye beji. Obi abe kodi kuro mu 11, ye de obi abe kwa di kuro. Yes, yenku nipa. We are taking back our African brothers. We are the gateway to Africa. Oh, how ne saying? Latitude O, longitude O. Kennedy Japan Bessie. It is how power the saying. I am very happy that the government at the end of the day has been able to fight for these sanctions taken off. And the Ghana sanction behind that so. Kwasi afom ku Ghana omu ye dede omu nyina pese omu mbaba school abrochire. Ene ye wa hemfo ene asofo akese omu mba nyina ko school abrochire. Ye left sanction we no and ye omu nyina de omu chese dem chese kokuo mu kwasi afo. And the Abena ako negotiate amaye. Media yedi nipa 200 kwa mepe yenji omo ye Africans. Power to the people. Ghana is the gateway to the continent. Edi ebiempa na mope. Kanashigbe is the CEO of Ghana Chambers of Mines. CEO. Share. Enti Now, the new one is, say MPP for Adeba ko mo twen pa in their life. Nyoma be two. Possibly two things. The MPP trying to say NDC for 2028. Who is going to lead them? Whoever is going to lead them, no. Eman Tokwensi or party, any omo first and omo chain. And a second thing, they are waiting for the day Kevin Taylor will flip against the NDC. And one omo chain, omni message biya, omni candidate pape biya, omni integrity pape biya. Right now, there are two things the MPP they are waiting. They are waiting for 2028. When they be the MPP enim, NDC enim, intokwensi, NDC intokwensi oma, and the any MPP for chance and kwasia for. And the second thing is, they are waiting for one day where Kevin Taylor will come and be angry with the NDC and start having issues with the NDC. Sanyo matu we no mo twen ke sia na nko ewiasra akoyi am mo bodam. And de munya. And no munya. Say I don't know mo twen dia and mo be cha papa e position 42 years. Usia MPP for nyoma mienu we pe no mo pe. Kevin Taylor buofu NDC ana. What tane? You see there, only John Mahama nya problem on page of Mahama asem biemo hu. Iye ne ewie munya. And the entwin and you omukoyi omu flag bearer na. Whoever will lead them no intokwesi na magana for hu ye say any MPP enim nyansa munya. You are not going to get it. It's a waste of time. And anytime I get some party no mo power biom. Me say NDC betima protect Nyansa o machira Ghana NDC sibio mubu Ghana nkwano masa mupa NPP NDC mprontity. One thing I like about the NDC, they will at least submit themselves and let you know say they listen. Mubu Ghana for some yankwasiafo. So far are perfect. They have gotten some things wrong, they have gotten some things right, and they are still open for discussion. That is a government in kwasiafo mubedi power yehu. Miki me okura betwa anyomo wo Jubilee House in nine. Samira Bawumia tam taxpayers money etna play mu ekosra kunkum bagiafo nkwasiafo. Yatna ama chema wuntumi yi gold gu TV so e say ye nwan obuotumfo nim tia. Eye akware nim se aponchireni na ye frɛ no Morris Ampok asa asantefo ahemfo nyina nkuru do otumfo omo ya dantenafo yete krom ha ni nyina yete ye all in the name of MPP. Inti enya den yen Kevin Taylor bufu NDC a na ye se ye ne abenya power mabodam. And then I'm okay, and then mo be rough. These are the two things they are waiting for. Number two way no mo chain. Oh, you say I'm prime minister in Tokobesi. My mistake. Oh, Kevin Taylor, munya botre nibufu pe na otene pe na yenu ani capitalize mabodam. Me nya stray dog. Me nya krama chain da me kon me nanam street sukute phone. Me, I speak and I have a team, I think and reason and research. I read and understand. Me no moment to make you know. I just don't sit and start talking. Me nyakwasia, me sorry ya phone wo ntina me kasa. Me need me left from right. Mean to me understand it, this content and chirchim. Me nyo join ba o. Me, I take my time to analyze issues before I speak on them. Inti, so how junior will say me a straight dog, and I say me a camera menya babasubia me nanenam a street sukute kuta phone. Sebio mini a yadien mini sa nyansan to sit analyze issues before I talk. Me menya kwasiampeni jantre ni bia yakohwe ase de gunu so okasa kasa by heart. Me menya sankofo ni biu. Me, I take my time, I look at the issues and I break them down. I sit with my team, break things down. I just don't come speak. Ejuma we mayacho. I understand research. I understand being coherent. I understand speaking on vital issues. Kwasebia to be kasa for Ghana politics on. Kwasebia to match for the diatem. But so who did diatem? What is your basis for insulting? The moment you are not able to do that, you are a straight dog or a krama babasu. Acho. You are basically a dog. You need to have a reason for being on social media. Into what you say, Kevin Taylor, Adiachia, Nibubefu, na wakakati NDC for me, I am not. Me with my yacho. I understand this job, the psychological part of it, the emotional part of it. I know the inside and out of this job. My juma way. I can sit here and read the mood of everybody. Inti me matrasa adiano. Inti don't think say You are betting your hope on Kevin Taylor flipping against NDC. And then one day, Kevin Taylor come and do something. He'll come and say something against near UC. No, and the Maboda, Memenya Abronyo. Menyo Usubempa Papuno. Memenya stray dogs from America Street to say, I shall bomb Panian Quasiafona, Omuni, any place to. No, me, I do my research before I speak. Me, I do my research. I don't need your numbers. I don't need your numbers to be relevant. I have been doing this for years. And through my help, the NDC, they have won power and they will stay in power. John Mahama will be president again. More MP before. If you piss me off, I'll make John Mahama president again. And you don't piss me off. You people should not piss me off. I will make John Mahama president again. Yeah. And you see, Onyankopon wasro obia onamasa asisu bia onimde ode ache no. And God, me, I have submitted myself to God and I know what God can do. Sa me ka bibu o makume ma onyame de mame. Sa mama me bufu a. Mama me bufu a. I will make John Mahama president again. Or no crampono, he will not understand. The Nibet no a president, John Mahama. Mo Ghana for mama me bufu a. Mo MPP for Nkwasiafo no. If you get me pissed off, John Mahama will be president. Mo Ghana for you will not understand. I will make him president again. Into mama push him in that level. I don't want to even get there. Oh, some party primaries are some NDC who is going to my job now is to make sure whatever John Mahama promised the people of Ghana, he delivers in 4 years. That's my job. And Ghana for anytime go to Abama NDC, anytime to Abama NDC, it's me make sure say John Mahama leadership they have provided what they promised. My job, and I don't know, that's where my contract ends. Say me person me renew John Mahama contract BM. Me renew NDC contract BM. Me person Nyankopon renew my contractor. I would make that decision. Enti you people should slow down. Mo na me bufua. Dede na moye ye no Ghana ho no and MPP and the beba power. Onam he na oba power no. E de na wo de ba power no. Wo de na wo gina so de aba power. Won ma de afere to me. Ye tam to me ma mo ne Nkwasiafo we 8 years. Mo de de to me ye o Ghana. Ye ma mo to me. Do you know what power means? Do you understand what is power? Muti power muti ase. Na ma me kire wade. Okuye to abla kwa ye de. Sam George omo kan ye and them say DsTV no and ye nyina ye hu Sam George ede asem na beto o diasempa na bo mate se MPP for kasa ai se sia no DsTV for no when ye na use premium no ye nya den kwase a wonya sika koto premium o pe bibia sa aka ho odwan what when sika etimitua premium o sa pe another add-on odwan kotoba unim nyansa what to make the sika koto premium premium ofie kwasia wenum kankan wano se wowo premium na wenya hwe no wo sa pe another add on na wo ye kotere ba na wo ye wowo ba kwasia na wenya bi edi esa pribia ka ho wenya sika ati sika manti bia koto premium ahwe wo sa pe se aban ko negotiate ema wo add on wo ye dwan unim nyansa. Now, Sam George Akasa, from price cut to value, Sam George shifts focus on DsTV subscription. Now, Mwamunim Ghana Web, a fake news website, a MPP media, a MPP ni and a Ghana Web India. Akwanoka say, Omobaya Galam say ne, Omunja ne, Omunja Ochna, a free year the Indiano, Dr. Free year, or no Naga a Ghana Web India. Aye. It's a Ghana Web, a MP, it is a wound to me. Ghana Web, it is a wound to me. Difference behind him. Ghana Web cannot report on anything better. It is a wound to me. Inti the MPP and the Ghana Web and the on the Gina TV so can say, and ya the MPP Bobe Jagalam say ne, Omunja Galam say Ochna, Ombe Galam say Akobisa Yesu Beba. Why do you take them serious? Inti Ghana Web no, they are misleading the public, a fake news. Now I'm sure you see. Some judge they are something in Abba, Mamin Jum Nyanko enim. As some panning in Anye, and there's some judge Abano, simple. And it's a for VIP bus. Ediako Kumasi. Namini Asantini, deche. O the OT VIP then yende. Say, VIP. Mati VIP. VIP mate na sa VIP we sesia no meso mpese mekofu bi now ukofu bi no question ne say dey na we expect o DsTV a VIP no ukofu VIP na uguta back kwame amwako wafu VIP no ofu VIP ya what is a VIP ese emu de no utremu a emu hyehye at the end of the day air conditioner ya nso nkofo bi so VIP o maka say VIP utwa 50 Ghana VIP bia 50 Ghana sa 50 Ghana no ofu VIP na de oba kumase a me say omo TV bom e right at the side o e bisa bom finfin na TV no obehwe movies ba be du kumase le win movies nko a eja ko de wajimi ntini movie nyefe le win movies nko a be du kumase say na VIP no sebio and Roberts nti uyam count na ope baby an ne kra utumi bie baby your bathroom a utumi ko ekone say 50 Ghana say the same VIP no bus ne so ba utumi nya e chilled coke etumi serve coke as time bus ne kono na so asime say ofu VIP wow we am chilled coke wa na sebio uyam dwaw ope baby atwa woto ye say ye nsikura mpo ma nko twa woto e na wote bus na ye bus out them air condition ye dum no VIP so ye mbie glass e na hyew bus outim TV nim inti VIP na utwa 50 Ghana no e de ko e de kumase no at the end of the day if so ben pa na unya o VIP ni so e hwa na another company buy ye manager e beji VIP no sidabi sibia ye treat mu passengers no meri nje ho even though 50 Ghana na mutua e de ko kumase no nyama bi wo hwa e wo se de e wo se de ka ho ma wa e ma 50 na utua no fa so ba so enti new manager no say see a VIP bus no fwa even though no price no en change here e da we 50 Ghana first and now for air conditioner and the air conditioner boya one ka o see so a we nim freeze first I for na TV no and the TV above back and front if seat be the TV aboho mo na first mo for VIP a na mo pe baby akọ toilet amunya na mo yemu dwamo and the toilet fresh one abehye mo na mo for VIP a mo per refreshment na mo nya refreshment no and the fridge sim o per refreshment e ma cook ni nyina still dey 50 Ghana na ne mfama o pe we na pe kaya botu kwasea eno na Sam George aye ne nne it is a steady VIP no eye 50 dey obetua enso pex broni fra bibi pex nyome bia ama VIP na ya akono a etese Delta Airline nyome bia ama VIP na ya akono a etese United Airlines nyome bia ama VIP ni mutena ya akono etese Emirates no saa nyoma na Sam George dey abeka no ama VIP ni mutena ye de first no sa obiti Tata basim anase obiti eyekofo basim na obiti VIP man na difference nim efri say wa wuti VIP man na wutu 50 Ghana no even though na wutu 50 no na wunya eden emfaso bi a kire say wa wuti VIP we better than obi otekofo basim ene Sam George aba NDC aba 50 Ghana na wutu na de ko kumase no pex bibi frefre bibi pex ye de nyina keka ho ama VIP no mutena ayede ayakono ama sese a wutini ma utumi bu seat no ma ne ko akire etumi aki na wona hwe wiem na wuti hwe akire na wada eno ena Sam George ende eye DsTV sikasem no aba bedu no obi se na DsTV no sesia no de na ekọ ma menjidwam nkire o na ehu se Ghana na yaba no bibia beko ye Ghana Airways your number 1 choice to West Africa bibia is simple mama bibia complicated ma problem no am Jesus problem no dey don't call Jesus problem ba na offer Yesu now ma menchire ade mo ana mo use DsTV ana mo tua 99 Ghana and Sebio na your friend access no Mr. S I hope I'm good now first no so obi benya bibia friend no de 10 channels ahwa na otua 190 Ghana 95 plus channels no na sankofo no mutua omo no mutua 190 Ghana no na omo ye den omo no mo hwe 95 plus channels na omo entertainment for all the family na mo bibia e friend no lifestyle music and documentaries na mo sa hwe La Liga Serie A Europa League no mo hwe ni nyina omo no mutua 190 Ghana no na omo hwe enkwara movies bebre kids movies na omo sa hwe series the drama and Sam George say omo na omutua 90 Ghana na no mutua 190 no and de na 190 for no e feel no eno na omo ba be feel enti and utua 90 Ghana ana 99 Ghana ewo DsTV a de na nkofo mo tua 190 Ghana ehwe de no bi na obehwe umpe we na opeka ya motium inchechire mu ba biem na ope inchechire mu ba biem na ope omo no mutua 190 Ghana de bia na de ntokurom we mu de different from me bride no we mu de omo channels bebreo and they say member ho obra betua the same fee and so behwe de na wo kohwe no ntokurom no umpe we asemesi umpe we na opeka ya motium e de na Sam George nsanyama ho wetwa ticket say okokotena popular stand Ura stadium wa say ende ye the VIP city bia be popular stand ho de John Mahama teso VIP na enu abi na teso popular stand ho how ne sen apatani abobi wo popular stand ho de VIP for feeling enu abi na wo feeling umpe we na opeka ya botium it Sam George say omo no mutua 190 na first mo mutua 99 ka say 194 omo hwe La Liga o omo hwe de ndien o and mo mutua 99 mo be hwe 194 de bi pepepe umpe we na opede negotiations no aban papa ba or dwene wo ho meyanko yanim into 99 Ghana for no yesia no mo ba be hwe de 194 hwe 99 Ghana for na mo hwe DsTV 99 Ghana no and they now 194 hwe no mo de gengen tokrom we mu de ndorso fi 95 channels no and mo na mo hwe 75 channels no John Mahama ban Sam George say mo be hwe 95 channels at the same 99 Ghana how ne saying negotiations mu experience aban papa ba na me enko eni nam djom MPP for so mo jimi omunim de ekọ now the next one ni where your friend no access and paddy access and paddy we could put no more form 99 for no we could put a center life for popular stand at the coca stand I see ho okay good evening to the Don Ghana football god Dada Don Bote many Don Bote kasa ofunso I offer so the Don, Ronaldo the Don. Or say, beba, that Don Bote, I mean, nakasa. Now go for mutia 59 Ghana, no more form. Omonomunya 40 channels pe. 40 pe, and Sam George, any NDC of mine say, Mwana mutia 59 Ghana, no, and then no say, Mobashe or Mwana mutia 99 Ghana, diano. 99 Ghana for no, share 194 no, and a Mwana mutia 59 no, and the mobile share 99 Ghana for there. Umpewe. Time na musha 59 for mo na mutua 59 Ghana no na musha 40 channels pe bebre ye moa bebre woni nyi ho enso person because Mr. Mwako de DsTV wo review wa wonim say 59 Ghana no na wonya nyoma nhwe 40 channels pe esa oduto papa na asa na afia radio se Sam George said abi je be you free 40 Ghana 40 channels e de wako 75 channels na still obetua 59 Ghana now 40 channels no over 75 channels na 7 HD channels 7 HD no it be channels be near great movies and Africa magic epic and Mnet movies papa na see oba be share still 59 and the 70 channels who 59 still and almost say Premier League and the one na 59 na munyo bia na ni pampom mumo na manfo hu somebody ehia mo na mo DsTV mo ana nipa mfa mo nya hwe na manfo kasa tia mo ekasa mo nim efrise mo nim sa Saturday mo ba mo fie and obi anko obi afie nko DsTV biom Sam George say 59 no obehwe La Liga obehwe Premiership obehwe Super Sports Football great kids movies Sam George say odini nyina ma 59 fa e de na wo pe MPP fo agimi eye omo ya nyoma ye yo aban ne hye amanfo ahana announcement no ho ye ne adwudwam ma bibia FFF easy into 59 for no and almost benya educational channels local and international music sa enyum na amapiano amapiano be sha ma be South Africa for the black coffee amuje obetia Sam George na go fa ba into 59 for butia 59 na and so me 99 and so we popular stand now we call popular stand na VIP seat si wo na about 10 to so insuo to ebimbo and na Sam George eyama Ghana DsTV obi anko obi afie bie mo ko DsTV simple as that ma me dwedwam nkyerɛ ye ko enim now we any friend no compact plus and compact I could get junk for petrol when they say, Sibia Kevin tell nya buteju dwom no. Ana mame fo no say na Ghana radio ni ha na TV ni ha na dia na ekoso Kevin tell amba ye ntiase mi dwom easy kra. Enya din. Onyame de ahye ano, otwede pokwa me mfiliw. So akwa bi so me feel me ho. Now, you see your oncophobia from compact. And you almost from compact plus. And they say obi ato eyedien obi ato tiko no obi ato matters. Compact and compact plus. Now, compact for no omno mutia 380 Ghana. No omno 120 channels. And no de compact sebio kakra ni hu awuntumi hwebi. And de okọ asenkrigwa area ho a yehwe no sport yehwe no fie because the baby bebre was asenkrigwa omni compact. Asankrigwa is be pe wase ba we de compact de wo soro ai oba eye bomfire eni eye ampatanya eni ezato sa area nyina compact function ani wo compact nyina hotel now hotel na compactor 120 channels no se sia no omutia 380 compact no you say mo ba be hwe 574 de DsTV na mutia 38 mo hwe 120 channels no and some George said DsTV for said abi even though utia 380 Ghana no 574 de na obehwe 135 channels jata no trans jata or the boy na to mo afan to ko or the boy na to for a reason jata no na boy jata George ni na boy or the boy na to her for a reason jata chero negotiation some MPP mo jimi we na a simple thing aslo wuso na si ahye ye GM na fumpini ode nam Ghana kwasiade wentumi anwene amwa Ghana for and the choba bia beko bia DsTV wo ho because of Sam George inti say omomutia 380 no and the omomutia 380 still and so omomutia 574 channels no na 570 dey na wom omo 135 channels 384 no more 120 and the 135 na dey na ekọ almost 30 HD channels. Now, best football coverage and the obwa born oti omo passia. Yeah, oti bibia mudaho ono ne freno best football coverage including Champions League. The champions, yes, me. Okay, me champion. Miko moko mofe Champions League my bobo mi ha me champion sane to nkremu with the Champions League nyom no oto nkremu a mi ya bo champions this is the Champions League nkrafo da boy me dey nkrafo mai mo bone ben ade de bia bi gina mo so Enkrani bi no konya abrochite team bi boy na onya Champions League boy asemo mi kan da meka no ha ansa na matoa so ena nkrani mi nua nkra okay ni okan onko school da on se mole ya na odokonya international team ewo Kazakhstan ena odine ne man team no ni e friend no Lazron for boy ya na omko pie Champions League say ni okan ono okay ni okan e ball etwa ball PBO in ball concentration after ball house. Inti new kind a school, no serious school, a ball, a ball serious. And a new kind could pay Kazakhstan, ni team qualified to Champions League. Asma mi king. Sa new kind names a Champions League, a national Champions League anthem. Ono nim so ne de bia Ghana no, town no go school no, a Kimbu, a Chirhono, now on the primary one, on what chire. Inti God bless our home la Ghana and me sa la de bi odi name one and you kan Abena international game boy inti ni o kan ko Champions League okay no okay why woman boy bibia neat and I do Champions League no so na ni o kan nkwara bram nya hu se sa na abrofo no bo Champions League na ye bo Champions League anthem na otis abrofo no to we are the champions di na heneki na betwam inti ni o kan hu crowd no doso na abrofo no so no mu gina line no so a omo to anthem no obi ato ai we ni o kan so nte brofo so ni o kan develop tactics a synchronized mouth a camera in pick ni o kan reasoning able new kind sing along what you say the new kind epic strategy be say ono so beto nwum no se na be a camera pick na no a omo so ono so ye sing along na say enwum no moto no nkran what you say so New kan start able national Champions League anthem able start able. New kan steady. So DJ put Champions League. New kan watch. Teammate come sa no ebe sing national anthem. We are the new kind English come bibio new kind English expression bibio because new kind Acheampong class a true one class. Obake new kind. Enti new kind to try the ni o hwe say obi ato e no no say ne mame to no nkremu. Minke o champions din na camera ba moke o you are done sa minke o champions minke o you are done bim make champions minke bocha bo na brofuni ye ni okai ene ye ni okai okwa abruchi ko Champions League it is how check here eya 384 no omo be enjoy 574 de no and so still no mutia 380 Ghana now mama fan to aso ne enko bebi akwa wodi megia ohu now your bibia your friend no eya premium ana we me from DsTV premium ni okai Gaji mi kaja bibio mi chabo. Mo for myself from some grafo me kan kra mo tiase so mo person be atum. Now, mama chow we mu from premium for no. Me te say MPP for kwasefo because I na ye na premium na benya dan aboa. When you sika got premium hwe o sa pede enfaso o dwan ba. Ni okan. Now you see premium for no decoder no 150 channels. Channels ekome eha enoso 150 ena more premium no benya now the ama premium no they say omo tia 865 Ghana now omo benya latest blockbuster movie papa aba ena mo benya hwe bibi this award winning series papa no bi ena mo be hwe complete sports offering with 16 super sports channels and the sports no games ni nyina obehwe and streaming service at no additional cost obetime streaming other games without them charging you and some George here negotiation or sihwe premium for the kakra wo motom sebio say ndo bi ka cho say mehwe premium a na say koye ma no eche kwasea and wo premium a obesa complaining et say obi a of first class na other who complaining obi ti premium obi ti 43k onye dede say I play near team no dede wom wo to first class air complain say play ni dede wom abuofunu obiti eye fan ho obiti ja no ho obiti eye helicopter fan no obiti toilet no 39k ye bie toilet pono epem no ebofa no so waye din ti ekire ho ono nkasa ye wo to first class air complain say I play no wo to say dede bi air cost of fan wo bodam wo to premium o kasa pedien o dwan Sam George say premium for no we enjoy mu wechire. O se mu am premium no. Se bio bibi na wa onka se o bibi da ho. Mu was kantina makoji premium. Mu de ye be ballot bi amamo. Ebia no wenya chance to get an automatic entry into the draw to win all expenses trip to watch live games. So our premium there just to make your ticket and amwa. Enti ye se DsTV for say. Premium for there ye be ballot. Na nyame boa na ukroma beifo ebie kwan na utumi wini a yado be ko England na also akɔhwɛ premiership libi na watene fia che premium for no omo so de no ompewe na opeka ya motiom alaji fama omo na MPP fo ejimi Yejrem minke bo champions pom mi ye bo cha yes ni okan wa to Champions League no so se camera ne ba we yire ni na minke bo cha ni okan anya sa ne to no enya Champions League enya nyum no ena wode no sa to ne ha so nsen kan for be sa ta lot bi okoshi eye gamashi oba eye obilite family for no omfie ho area ho a amanfo ni nyina hia ni okan ebo etwabo Champions League say hey ni okan boy ni okan hey stop on ni okan so stop on ni okan o mayibo ni okan ebo etwabo too much Kazakhstan team Champions League no son 7:30 sharp meet I enkanfo nyina frɛ from nyonkofo ni okan ebo Champions League ya frɛ no so aka che ni oyiwadon ga mashi ABBO, Latobio Koshi, Labadi, circle, maintain, molly, ball. So, into new kind of sign can I force into only Champions League in the shape, no person but Chino. Now, time we are time and a camera, also Champions League camera, almost started Champions League, camera is slow. New kind of a dozen number 8 into no chain. Into so ni mutu on brofo I new kind or try come and do ya me cable champions see I hard guy why me able do more bibio just say new kind 2 Champions League one crem I and the be pia and there your boy 80 minutes is new kind enya muscle pull side there when you change the age new kind 38 or so with 18 years. Neo kind 18 or 18. Abra Neo kind 38. Ya started on abro pa. Niko na niaba niko ni save energy. Niko overtaking. Sa nisu wa duru mukokura brem a enche bi obewu. Ena ni yeso okoye overlapping. Ena ni muscle ne ba ya pa na twen. Nisu prayer no obeka se wedi 38 ye de impenyufo duro beguso no. Nisu wedi 18 ti oprapa ne de nkora duro guso enye adwuma. Awosu bom ni ntumi stretch it. And I need stretching in name why Nisu Bakachenko was with 38, Nisu Eltuminka because Nisu Una Abakas with 18. And I'm under 18 for drew a year ni now. Titi, need to be 90, ni bre. And I'm crown for a friend, ni, and trouble, so my over ball a cow. But condition is difficult, impossible condition. Niba Ghana obey interviews. I don't can. Also, body anymore. Na condition here impossible. Fane. Nebuchadnezzar for friend and Nebuchadnezzar ni a disgrace able a family a disgrace. Wow. And also ni Fane Odupa ball ni Bibio echa ball witness so ni ball echa me ball echa conditions impossible conditions me you get it right ni no bro for you get it right me you get it right me ball echa impossible here a difficult weather a snow me so ni it's okay can you open some club for us Can you get us something in some club? I and can form pedifua. Muya busa penya niaba one fashiamba. Now move tenacity busa questions. No, oh, it happens. It happens. Can you serve us something? Yes, I want club. I onupa club a club a small come. I no more the doculis is so no much nam. Mubabusa ni inside no Kazakhstan. Went to Mambo Boro. Over a few common. Mungan for. Oh my God, hey Kevin, my ibo, hey ibo, uti frokonwa. Mayibo dia ye kasem ubofu na Kevin mayibo dia mayibo lion grada lion kwaka kukweti ada e dia na mayibo bebrebe. All right now mami dwedwe mu ha nkyere mo asem ya ba ma nipa bi kasa team stay with me. I'm not going to do that to that. But besides, you need to try and join the pieces. Try and join the pieces because it's all over the place. Besides, yeah, I can't do anything about it. I think there was a mix-up when you were sending the document. Yeah. So try and join the pieces and use it. Thank you, Mr. S. Now, this story is one story. I'm saying you know I can't want some. I'm saying we MPP for ansem. MPP for chairman. Now can you tell one can ansem because you for master na yet and the last one because if I saw muso. Me can Ghana for 170 here no. Me we am do metwa to no me di matem no makoda kwase afo MPP for. Na Kevin on kan asem meka ejimi for. Mo twa me na mo baby ko. Kevin tell am we MPP ni ukoda o dwan. Twa me